fix this thing.
Come on, camera, focus. There we go. Little Project A.d.d action. The problems finally getting fixed that plagued us yet last year, which is the fan control module under the coolant bowl. The coolant bowl's cracked in half and seeping out. And then I guess it leaked on the module, shorted the module out. The fans wouldn't work on high. Car's overheating at high temperatures in the summertime. So we didn't really do anything with the car last year. Look at this dude.
What the fuck? Ain't nothing in here for you.
Thought that squirrel was going to come in here. So you can see it's definitely leaking. Then it leaked on the module. Got these for parts from partsgeek.com. First time I ordered from them. They sent all the tracking numbers and sent the stuff real fast, so we're happy with that. New coolant bowl. That'll look pretty fresh. And then the 919 was the code for that. Bam.
I mean, fresh. Just slap this back on here so it don't drip.
And that's that. Just gotta get the module in there.
Rinse that.
Yeah, a little bit.